and happy 2025. It's currently January 20th. I have no idea where the time actually went. It's been a while since I've actually like sat down and vlogged. I feel like so much has just happened in the past month or even like a couple weeks in of itself. But for a general rundown, I went back home to America. I was meaning to vlog when I was home, but then break didn't really seem like a break. I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but especially as a college or uni student who is an international student and doesn't get to see their old friends or family that often, every single day I was booked with Christmas dinners, family events, friend gatherings, and it was day after day after day. And I'm not complaining because I obviously have a lot of people in my life I wanted to see and it was awesome, but it was also really, really stressful. So winter break flew by really, really fast because of it, but also I just didn't really have time to sit down or do anything, and it didn't really feel like that much of a break at all. But for some general highlights that I did over the break, I went to New York City a lot. I went ice skating, Rockefeller Center, went on a double date to the Met. It was pretty awesome. I got to see my siblings. I love my siblings so much. I never get to see them. My brother, who lives in LA, flew in. I don't really get to see him that often because he's in LA, which is across the country. So it was him, my sister-in-law, and my nephew, and it was so much fun. They're actually gonna visit here in Scotland in early April, but like I said, I don't really know where the time went. So I got back here last week. Classes have already started. This week is when seminars, and now I have labs that start this week, which is really, really exciting. It's just so weird to be back to school because I feel like I haven't had a proper break yet, and then all of a sudden classes are immediately starting again and the workload is back, and I have actual work that's starting again and ice hockey, and my boyfriend's studying abroad here, which is really, really awesome, and I'll probably include some clips of us exploring Scotland. But yeah, it's been really, really stressful as well as exciting, so that's been a little bit annoying. For school's been awesome. I pretty much have the same exact schedule with slight differences from last semester. Again, I'm doing history, archaeology, and French. I already started playing ice hockey again. Literally 2 days ago, I was in Hull, England, which by the way is a really, really like sad town. I mean, me and my hockey friends were like, this is the greatest place. It was as if the longer we spent in the car driving towards England, the grayer it got, which didn't really make much sense because we were going south, but that was a pretty fun game. We won 15-0, and I thought I played pretty well. For anyone who cares, I play defense, and I also have hockey practice later today, which should be good. But again, that was a whole day affair. It's about a 5-hour drive there and back, and the second I got back, I was gonna go out with my friends, which was really, really fun, and we actually met up some of my hockey friends after. We went to this place called Box. It was a really, really nice bar with live music. I don't know why I've never really been there before, but I would totally recommend it for any of you guys wondering. Good places to go out here in Glasgow. And then yesterday, I woke up really, really late and had to finally start doing my seminar work for today because, like I said, seminars and the actual homework of my classes are starting today. So far, it's been a pretty great January, very full January. It's also really been good to see my friends again. I'm thinking that this vlog will just be a compilation of random days that are productive, interesting, all around reflective of January, and I'm probably guessing early February here at the University of Glasgow, and just how my life is going. So yeah, hopefully this is actually interesting, and yeah. yesterday until really late. I'm so tired. I had to wake up today for a French lecture, or it's called a written class, and it's completely across the entire campus. I have most of my classes by the main building or the JMS. I don't know if any of you guys go to Glasgow Uni and if you know any of those names, but just for a quick rant, my French class is in this place called the Adam Smith building. There are about 700 Adam Smith buildings throughout the entire campus. So last week when I was trying to figure out where I was about 20 minutes late to the class, and it was really annoying because I had put in the wrong Adam Smith building, but in maps it only comes up as the one Adam Smith building, so that was really awkward, but it was fine and ended up being okay. I actually found it today. Then I had a history lecture. Also, quick rant for the history course. I don't know if any of you guys do history, which I know some of you do because I've actually met some of you guys through history, but for context, I'm a second year in second semester of uni, and currently a lot of the classes in the beginning of the semester, hopefully it doesn't stay like this, are just about historiography and not actually about history or historical events or important things that I would need to know for the exam or for an essay, and it's really like getting on my nerves. Maybe it's still like really early and I'm just overreacting, but I really don't enjoy lectures like that because I get really bored. Sorry, I took off my coat, but anyway, what I was saying was that it's more important to actually know the historical events before delving into the historiography or what is history. Like currently we're doing what is global history, and yes, that is important to acknowledge, but it shouldn't be taking 4 lectures and a seminar to discuss. But again, that's just me. Hopefully it'll actually change. It was just something that me and my friends were talking about today. We were sitting in the library after class. I got a hot dog, really off topic, but I really love the hot dogs at the library for some reason. And yeah, we were just ranting about the course this semester so far. Anyway, I have work later today and I have work tomorrow, and then finally Thursday will be my free day, and I'll actually have some interesting things to vlog about. So I don't know how much I'll actually get to vlog for the next couple of days. Maybe a little bit, maybe, but yeah. I want you guys to know that I took a nap, and it's totally normal to take naps if you're out really late doing extracurricular things or work and then have to be up really early for school. So yeah. So I'm currently at Pollok County Park, my most favorite place in all of Glasgow. I took my boyfriend here. He's walking away. He's over there. There he is. He's out in the wild. I'm currently outside the estate. I'm really disappointed though because the Bureau collection was shut, and apparently it's shut every Friday and Saturday, which is so random. Anyway, yesterday school was canceled because there was a huge windstorm. Hopefully all of you guys stayed safe out there because it sounded like someone screaming outside for like 5 hours straight with the wind, and I had to cancel plans with my friends, which sucked, but it was okay. It was like a day in, and I felt like this whole week I was actually dying because I was just so busy every single day. But that's why today, me and Noah, my boyfriend, are chilling here at the park, having a nice chill day. We already fed some of the highland coos, or highland cows, however you like to say it, but it's like kind of freezing. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed about the bureau collection, which is so fine. We're definitely gonna come back. But yeah, I would recommend coming here in the winter. It's very cold, and it's kind of sad because, like I said, with the storm, like a lot of the trees fell down, and I don't know, some of the glass in the greenhouses broke and they're all scattered about. But again, this is like the day after the storm, but it's kind of sad to see a bunch of trees uprooted. I found another different location. But anyway, I wanted to give a little update about school. School's been good. I had actual seminars and things like that, which started this week. I'm a little bit disappointed that I couldn't go to my archaeology lab, which is what I missed essentially on, let's see if I can put you here, on Friday. But I'm kind of pissed off because I'm usually given a reading week, which lets me have the whole week off so I can focus on writing essays and doing assignments, that type of thing. And it's in mid-February, so I was like, this is good. Last semester during my reading week, I went to Dublin, and I like to travel, and obviously I have a bunch of work to do. But now I'm gonna have to make up this lab during the middle of reading week, and I'm really upset about it. And it's like, I'm kind of upset by the storm. In the moment, I was happy that class was canceled because I was so overwhelmed this week. It was hockey, work, homework every single day, and then I had to, in the midst of all this, get video out, and I was really stressed out. And then I got like low-key sick, like not sick, but like my head would hurt and like my throat would just, you know what I mean? So yesterday I was like, okay, this is good. I slept until 2 p.m. That never happens. And like I said, the wind was raging and just watched TV. So I didn't really vlog yesterday because it was really boring and not eventful at all. But yeah, I don't know, it's just a little bit disappointing. I'm trying not to like think too much about it. Like that's a problem for February for reading week, but right now I'm just like, why? I don't know. Anyway, I'm having a pretty good day. Like I said, Pollok County Park, or Pollok Country Park, I forget which one it is my most favorite place in all of Glasgow. It's pretty much just a bunch of gardens and cows and the museum as well. So yeah.